So we've just passed Asda, and now we're following signs for Warrington. So I'll freeze the frame here. You can see Warrington is in the left. So here we go up here, making sure we're keeping the left lane. Now Warrington here is in the right lane. And on this roundabout, it's the third exit, but the first exit is a bus lane, so we can't go down there, but you'll see it on the left. So first exit there, which we can't go down, the second exit, and then we want the third exit coming up now. So check your mirrors, middle one, left one, centre one, left one, and straight ahead here. Now the next one that catches a lot of people out is this mini roundabout. So if you see that church ahead, there's a very small mini roundabout there. You will see signs for a roundabout and a mini roundabout, but it does catch a lot of people out here, so be very aware of this one.